great to be here, and we're excited about UiPath Labs today. Let's get started with the first experiment, Enterprise Knowledge Graph. So let's have a look. We've heard from so many customers that it's hard to get agents to give you a reliable, accurate answer when it comes to your large, complex enterprise databases. So our team of researchers have been looking into ways to solve this problem using Knowledge Graph. Because Knowledge Graph can give something to the agents that you only have, which is actual deep business context. A Knowledge Graph represents your database as business objects and uncovers the relationships between them and the business rules. So in this example, we're actually using an e-commerce database. And I'm going to ask the agent to show me net revenue by manufacturer. And you're going to see two answers. On the left-hand side, an answer using traditional techniques, and on the right-hand side, an agent with Knowledge Graph. And what you'll notice is the answer using Knowledge Graph is actually correct. The reason for this is that the agent figured out it has to take into consideration returns when giving you that answer. And so it wrote a way more precise SQL query, and you can see the accurate response. You can use Enterprise Knowledge Graph today by heading to labs.uipath.com, and you can even connect your own database.
Sharif, this is great. I can see how the knowledge graph helps build reliable, dependable agents with the enterprise context that a business user could provide to you. Now, talk to us about the second experiment, the sandbox experiment.
Right. So we have a second experiment called Agent Sandbox. And you've just seen from Zach that you can already build great enterprise-grade agents on UiPath. But with Agent Sandbox, we're completely reimagining the experience where we get to use the agents themselves to build agents, automations, apps, while keeping developers in control.
Just like coding assistants?
It's like coding assistants, but way better, because this experience is tailored for automations. And you benefit from everything in the UiPath platform. So trust, governance, security, it's going to be amazing.
That's awesome. Sharif, last but not the least, our third experiment, UiPath Delegate. Tell us about that.
So at work, we all have these repetitive tasks. So for example, in procurement, you have to check invoices in Coupa, you need to update Excel trackers, move data between systems. It takes a while. Project Delegate is an agent that lives on your computer that you can teach. So you can demonstrate a task, and then it will do that task for you in the background.
Sharif, this is an ambitious undertaking, and it's a very, very difficult technical problem to solve. What makes UiPath uniquely poised to take this on?
Yeah. UiPath has decades of experience in UI automation. We even have UI in the name. And so what that means is that we really deeply understand how enterprise systems work. And with the improvements in computer use and LLMs, this is the time to start researching and investing in something as compelling as Project Delegate.
That's very cool. So Sharif, what's next? How do people get access to Labs?
We're really excited about Labs. We'd love for you to join us today on labs.uipath.com. By the way, you can do this now on your phone. And this is the place where we'll be regularly launching new experiments on a weekly, monthly basis. So head over to labs.uipath.com and get early access to the future of automation.